Hey everyone, in this video you'll learn how to create a countdown timer using the htmega plugin. A countdown timer can be used as a marketing tool to create a sense of urgency and inform your customers about a discount period, special offer, or any other things that will be available on your website for a short amount of time. It will help you increase customer engagement and maximize the revenue of your website. Let me show you how you can create a countdown timer. From the Elementor widget panel, search for the countdown widget. Drag the widget that has the HT badge. From the countdown panel, you can select a style for the timer. There are 3 different styles available for this widget. Let's go ahead and set the due date from here. If you want to hide any of these things, just disable the option. Enable this option if you want to hide the labels. This widget will also allow you to customize the labels from here. Another thing about this widget you must know is that if you want to create a countdown timer to display the remaining time for an event, you can also do that by enabling this option. Make sure you've installed the Event Calendar plugin and you have events that are created using that plugin. From the Count Layout panel, you can set the width, height, and spacing for the columns. From the Style settings, you can manage the necessary styles for all the elements of this widget. So this way you can create a countdown timer on your website. If you have any ideas or suggestions to improve this widget, please let us know in the comments below. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.